In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GoToMeeting invite. Navigating online meeting tools can be a bit daunting at first, but once you know your way around, it becomes second nature. Let's break down the process step by step. First of all, the journey begins by going to the GoToMeetings website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and simply type in the address bar app.goto.com/meetings. Now that you're on the GoToMeetings homepage, your next task is to create a meeting. Take a look at the options available and you'll find a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a series of options that allow you to customize your meeting settings. Once you have tapped that Create button, it's time to title your meeting. This is essential because it informs your attendees about the meeting's purpose. Make it descriptive enough to convey the purpose but concise so it doesn't overwhelm. With the title set, the next step is to designate the date and time for your forthcoming meeting. Select a date from the calendar and define the exact time to ensure your participants know precisely when they'll need to join in. Pay attention to time zones if your attendees are spread across different regions. After you've entered all these details, the moment has arrived to click on Save. Doing this secures all of your preferences, and your meeting is now officially scheduled. Congratulations, you've set up your meeting. With the meeting scheduled, the next thing you need is the meeting link. This link is crucial because it's how you'll invite attendees to join the meeting. Locate the meeting you've just created in your list and copy its link. Be sure to double check that it's copied accurately and entirely to prevent any joining issues later on. Now, to actually send the invitation, you'll need to switch over to your email. For this guide, we'll be using Gmail. Open Gmail in your web browser and click on Compose to begin drafting a new email. In the Email Compose window, you want to include all necessary details regarding the meeting. Start with a captivating subject line to grab attention. In the body of the email, provide an overview of what the meeting is about. Include your meeting title, date, and time. Most importantly, paste the meeting link you copied earlier so your recipients can easily access the session. Finally, once everything looks good and you've included all necessary invitees, it's time to click on